Happy Monday and welcome back to my trading channel. Last week was really great for me. I ended the week in a trade of gold. I got out of it, but all three of my trades last week were a success, I guess you could say, which is really exciting. What is going on? Here we go. I ended last week in my video on a gold trade, and I was gonna let you guys know where it went. I ducked out the trade a little bit early because I saw it going in the opposite direction, and I'm kind of just about profit right now. So I did duck out, but I still closed at 48.40 in profit. So those are the three of my trades. One really good, hit my take profit. The other one I put in the wrong lot size, so that messed me up a little bit, but still good. It hit my take profit, and if the lot size was right, it would have been a double great trade. And then I closed my gold trade at 48.40, which is great. So now it's Monday. We're looking at the charts again. And yeah, let's see what's happening. I'm usually more hesitant to trade on Sundays and Mondays just because I've been burned so many times on those trades, and the week is kind of just starting up, Sunday night and Monday, so you don't really know. Both the markets that I trade right now are kind of at an interesting point. Right now I'm just looking at the US dollar versus Japanese yen, USD, JPY, and it is kind of at an interesting level here, so I'm just waiting to see if it's going to push back up or if it's actually going to push down. I'm not going to go in straight away, but that's kind of just what I'm looking at the moment. It's right on the level to where it's either going to show some resistance or it's going to go back up. So I'm just waiting to see where this market's going to go. And then interesting enough, the gold has kind of settled at its peak high. It's never been this high in all of the years that I looked back on. So it was at a very interesting level. I got out of my trade around here at that time, and as you can see, it would have pushed back up and hit my take profit, but I was like, oh, I don't know what's gonna happen here, so I got out. But right now it looks like there is some resistance at this level, so I'm just keeping an eye out to see what is going to happen with this. I don't know if I'm going to go in for the trade today, but if I do see a breakthrough in either direction, hopefully I'm on it and I can catch that. But both of the markets, I think I have put myself into a position to carefully watch it and place a pretty solid trade. So may the gods be forever in my favor. We'll just see what happens. In my last video, I did speak a little bit about the pressure I felt of like placing a trade and having to make a trade. And I kind of feel that same pressure when something's at my key level or when I've been waiting so long that I really want to get into it. So that's something I'm going to be focusing on this week is patience. And I know it just in my first trading journal, those were like huge words that I put for myself. I was like, patience, have patience with yourself. I think I've gone into a lot of trades prematurely or haven't fully documented or processed them exactly where it's going to go, and I get really excited and I go in and they've gone in the wrong direction. So this week I'm really practicing patience with myself and with the charts, and if I miss, a moment of entry, I don't want to just like double down and go on it, which is what I was doing. If I wasn't around to make that trade or I missed the alert when it hit my level, I would jump onto it, but I've already missed the boat. There's going to be more trades and more opportunities. So this week, that's what I'm focusing on, patience. Hopefully when these go either way, I'll come back and we'll talk about why I made that trade and how it turned out. That's it. I don't really have that much else to say. I'm studying a lot and working a lot, and this week I really want to learn a couple of new practices to put into place, like trend lines and a couple other tools that I haven't used yet. So I'm pretty excited to advance my knowledge in trading and keep an eye on these charts, which look a little bit like they're at levels that, I don't know, something's gonna happen. So I'll definitely keep you posted on those trades. I hope you're having the best start to your week and that the charts are great for you this week, and see you soon. Happy trading.